jungle.
Hi everyone, I'm Fiona. Behind me are two sets of EPS insulation board mold we deliver to Europe. They correspond to two different thicknesses. One is 80 mm and the other is 100 mm. Compared with other EPS mold, there are two features worth mentioning about this mold. The female mold is crafted from our single pieces of hollow aluminum sheets by CNC machine, and the male mold is also crafted from our whole pieces of hollow aluminum sheets. Aluminum core vane's diameter is 4 mm. The purpose of using hollow aluminum instead of cast aluminum is to make this EPS mold surface smoother, without any sand ice, and to increase the stress of the mold for a longer service life. Additionally, there are stainless steel tension devices on both sides of the mold. The role of this stainless steel tension device is to ensure the accuracy of the mold during long-term use and to prevent bursts from forming, which is very important. This is pretty much everything for today's video. If you like it, please give us a like and subscribe to our channel. We will know that we are doing the right thing. See you next video.